Hey guys, welcome to Cute Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Riolu. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with two angles up and out, leaving a gap in the center. And then let's curve it down underneath to close off each eye. Now let's hop inside and we're going to draw two curves down. And then let's add an oval inside each eye for the pupils. And color these both in black. Now let's hop out and let's draw the mask shape around the eyes. Let's start in the center and let's add an angle up on each side. And then let's curve it around and back up underneath each eye like this. And then in the center, let's close it off with a curve down. And lastly, inside, let's add a small bump in the center. Now that we're done the mask, let's hop out and draw the ears. On each side, let's draw a large curve down and back up. And then for the shape of the head, let's draw a curve across in between. And then let's continue the head on top of the ears by curving it up on each side. Bring it down. And then a curve across in the center for the top of the head. And lastly, we're going to hop back in and let's draw a downwards curve for the mouth. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with two curves down. And a curve across the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw two lines down for the sides of the body. And then let's curve it out and back in, meeting in the center for the tops of the legs. And then inside, at the bottom here, let's draw a curve across in the center. Now let's hop up and across the chest here, let's draw 2 points down. And that's it for the torso. Now we're going to hop out and draw the arms. Let's start next to the neck and let's draw 2 curves down. And then a longer curve down underneath. Now from the outer line, let's dip it in. And a curve across the top. And then a small angle down underneath. Now at the ends here, let's draw the fingers. Let's start with a bump on the inside. Then curve it out and up. And one more on each hand. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and finish the legs. We'll start with 2 curves down and in underneath each side. Then let's bring it down in the center. And a shorter angle out on the outside. Now let's curve it out and down. And close off the bottom of each foot. And lastly, let's hop in and let's draw 2 curves at the bottom for the toes. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's add the tail. On the left next to the ear, let's draw a curve down to the arm. And continue it on the other side to the legs. Now from the end, let's curve it down. Bring it back up. And let's draw another curve back into the hand and continue it on the other side. And that's it for Riolu. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!